To create resin paper, what you need is part A and B of your ICE resin, a glove, your mixing cup and stick, a disposable sponge, just a cheap one. I got this one from the pound shop. And then you need your paper. The best kind of paper that I've found to make resin paper is these old vintage books. It's got a certain kind of paper. It's kind of smooth. It's not like book page that you get nowadays. It's really, really smooth. This is an old encyclopedia from the 1930s. And I haven't actually started working with this one yet, so this will be my first time. So what you're going to do is pull out your piece, or pieces if you're doing more than one. Take your mixing cup and taking part A, which will have a slight blue tint to it, and squeeze in. So I'm using the ½ teaspoon mark. And then taking part B, the hardener, I'm going to put in the same amount and take it up to the 1 teaspoon mark. The resin mixture is a lot thicker and harder to squeeze out sometimes than the hardener, so you have to give part A a really good squeeze, part B not so much. So I'm going to put them both to the side now, and I'm going to mix, which I will fast forward through. You'll notice that I'm not whipping it to mix it. I'm just mixing slowly and carefully, and I'll mix this together for about 2 minutes as per the manufacturer's instructions. So I'll fast forward through this bit. Okay, I've now mixed that up. All the striations of the 2 different liquids have disappeared, and it is thoroughly mixed and ready to go. It does have air bubbles in it at this stage. What we'd normally do is leave it for about 2 minutes to 5 minutes, let all the air bubbles rise to the top and pop naturally. But because I'm doing this process with resin paper, I don't need to do that. So making sure there is no pets around, I'm going to put on my protective glove. Dip my sponge into the resin and wipe it on. Should have got 2 gloves. I don't recommend putting your fingers without protection onto resin very often. I'm just gently touching it at the edges, and I'm going to clean my hands straight away. And there you can see the resin is starting to soak in and penetrate through into the paper. So I'm going to put this to dry somewhere where it will be safe away from dust and pet hair and then I will show you my final project. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.